Hello, beautiful. The coast is clear. Want one? Take from a hand? Here. No? You can think about it. Okay. We'll just toss it. Ready? There you go. Want another one? There you go. Ready? This bird is so beautiful. Look at that. Hi, baby. Now gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me? Yes, you do. Ready for another one? Here we go. I call her my fashionista because her walk is like a runway stomp. It's so beautiful. Yes, you are. The neighbor's not here, so the coast is clear. See, the neighbor's not here, so the coast is clear. Go, baby. Here we go. Yeah, babies. Baby, baby, baby. Gotta talk over the car. That's a pretty baby. Say, what are you talking about? Here we go. This one acts like a cat. I have to throw it right within her range so she doesn't have to walk or take a step. So I know she's a girl, because the boys aren't like that. The female is much more demanding than the male in the animal world. There we go. Go get it. Show them how you walk, lady. Get the baby. Pretty girl. I want to clean the sidewalk because it's got the little bits from... Here, let me throw some over here. There. I've got to wash the sidewalk. There you go. It's better over there. Better over there. Just because of the stuff that's on my cement from next door. This is a great white egret. This bird comes and sees me almost every day. There's two of them. It's growing their tail flume feathers for spring already. It takes these birds months to grow these feathers. Don't they, baby? So this is a Monday afternoon visit. I did a cater today, and then we came home, taking a shower, and a guy showed up, bought some catering bags. So we're at $41. We might go out this afternoon and do a couple things, and we might just wait till tonight. I don't know yet. Depends on the traffic. It's in the 70s. It's a nice breeze. It's a beautiful day. Isn't it, baby? Yes, it is. These guys' eyes are kind of pointed down for fishing. So you kind of have to, they kind of put their head up to look at me. Right? Yes, I do, baby. Well, that's what you do. Come on, baby. Come on, do your little walk. Pretty girl. I love this time of day. Great white egret. The baby. Their knees are backwards. So it's really cool to watch them walk. I wonder if we would walk better. If our knees were backwards. I don't know. The phone's going to go dead, so we're going to say goodbye for now. And Big Bird says she'll see you later. Have a great day.